this channel. My name is JM Kaundo. Yeah, kindly subscribe to this channel. Today I have an educative video. I'm sharing strategies and reasons on how to start a bookkeeping business from home. So kindly join this live stream. We are going to have a very interactive session. We are going to share good information on how you can start your bookkeeping business from home. It's a good business. It doesn't require any specific skills. So long as you're willing to learn, you are able to do a few things for your own, and you are good in computer skills. Yeah, so kindly join this live stream. Yeah, so in a few minutes I'll be starting this live stream so that we can discuss these strategies and procedures on how you can start your own bookkeeping business. It's going to be an interactive session, so ask questions where you need to seek clarification. Ask questions, and then I'll be able to answer your questions. Yeah, so let's dive into the learning. So give me a few minutes. Thank you for those who are joining this live stream. Kindly comment, subscribe, and share this video. Tell your friends that JM Kaundo is having a live stream, and let's get to learn together. Thank you guys for those who are joining. Yes. So we are talking about starting a bookkeeping business from home. So kindly share your thoughts, and then we'll be able to discuss together. Yeah, so 1 minute. Yeah, continue joining. Yeah, thank you so much for those who are joining. 1 second, I update my thumbnail. I update the thumbnail for this live stream so that it can be very visible for those who are not able to join right now. Starting bookkeeping, doing bookkeeping is a good business. So long as you have a simple accounting skills, you can be able to do it from home and earn good money. And the other thing is that you need to have a very nice internet. You need to have a computer, maybe a laptop, a good internet connection. And another thing is that you need to identify a software that you can be able to use. The most common software for bookkeeping is Quickbooks. We have Quickbooks online, and you can also have the desktop version. Yeah, so don't stay at home and say that you cannot be able to do anything. So long as you are even if you are a student in the field of accounting, you can start bookkeeping from home and be able to do simple accounting tasks for your clients, and they pay you good money. You can check from Upwork. and the Fiverr. The starting amount for a bookkeeper is around $5. And $5 if you are a student or if you are working from home, and based on if you can be able to do quick activities for your customers, you can be able to do many bookkeeping activities for many clients, and that way you'll be able to earn more. So I'm waiting for people to join this live stream. I'm waiting for you to join. Yes, so keep your comments coming. Let's share, let's get to learn. Thank you for those who are joining. Kindly share this video. Starting bookkeeping from home. That's what we are discussing today. Bookkeeping business. I have told you some of the places where you can be able to, sorry about the noise, you can be able to get clients. You can use Upwork. You can also use Fiverr. You can be able to get some clients from that platform, and be able to make good money from it. My lighting is not that good. I'll be working on it. Yeah, so please bear with me. Get the message, and the important thing is the message that I am sharing on this platform. Yes. So we can now start the session. So the first thing that you need to have when you're starting your bookkeeping business from home is you need to obtain necessary skills. You need to have some skills that are necessary to enable you to do your bookkeeping from home. And one of the things that you need to educate yourself is you need to learn how to use different softwares, accounting softwares. I would advise you to get yourself a Quickbooks software, get to learn. Then learning book what do you call, and the skills on how to use Quickbooks, and also to take some skills or some course on accounting. If you are not an accountant, if you haven't studied a CPA, you can take some course. It can range between 6 months to 1 year. That way you'll be able to obtain some skills that will enable you to do your work effectively. Then number 2 is that you need to set up a workspace where you'll be working from. Yeah, set up a nice place that is comfortable enough to enable you to work comfortably and be able to discharge your duties very effectively. So set up a workspace. Then number 3 is you choose the software. As I mentioned in number 1, that you need to learn Quickbooks and any other software that will enable you to do accounting or enable you to do your bookkeeping. So choose a bookkeeping software. Select an accounting software that suits your needs and is appropriate for the size of business that you will be working with. Popular options include QuickBooks, you have Xero, you have FreshBooks. Familiarize yourself with the software's features and functionalities. That way, at least you'll be setting yourself for success, because you have known the skills that you have acquired, the accounting skills. You've set up your workspace. Then you understood the software that you need to work on or to work with. Then number 4 is you establish your client base. Now, after you have set up all those things, now you need now to get your clients on board. And getting clients, well, to some extent can be difficult, but you need to network. You need to talk to your community, talk to the people you know, the people in your line of profession. Tell them that you have started a bookkeeping business, and then they'll be able to refer clients to you. You also need to check online. I said you can check from Upwork. You can also check from Fiverr and any other online platform. You can also network online. Sorry about the noise. So set up your client base, from one client to another, and if you serve your customers well, they will be able to refer other customers to you. That way you will be growing your client base from one customer to another. Then number 5 is you define your services and pricing. So that's very important. You make sure you set a competitive price. You also set the services that you'll be offering. Make sure that you know the kind of services you'll be offering in your bookkeeping, and there are various services that you can be able to offer. So you determine the specific bookkeeping services you will offer, such as data entry, bank reconciliation, financial statement preparation, tax support. Like now in Kenya, we are heading to June. So for those who need to do tax returns, I am available. Check me on Instagram, JM Kaundu. I'll be able to do your returns at a very nice price. So don't struggle yourself. You can be able to delegate that work to professionals. I am an accountant by profession with 5 years of experience. So give me your tax returns. I will be able to do them at a shorter period and in the most effective manner. So give me your tax returns work. Kindly check me on Instagram, JM Kaundu. Yes. So another thing is so we are finished with your services and the pricing. Check the market rate, or what the pricing that is being done across the board. Don't charge too low and don't overcharge. Make sure you charge a standard rate that is reasonable enough that your customers can be able to pay. At the same time, it enables you to stay afloat, so that at least you are able to discharge your work effectively. So when you set a price that is too low, you struggle a lot when you are offering your services, because you need to pay some costs. Like the software that you'll be using needs to be paid for. You need to pay for internet. You need also to pay your bills. So make sure that you are choosing the pricing that is going to cater for your pricing. So I think in my next video I will share more details about the pricing and how to set up your pricing as a bookkeeper. As a new beginner, I will be able to advise you on how to set up your pricing, and that way you can be able to ensure that you don't burn yourself out. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and be sure to benefit from my next video. So number 6 is that you communicate with your clients. Communication is very important when it comes to business, not even bookkeeping, any other business that you will be able to do. Make sure that you communicate to your clients and let the communication be seamless. So how you communicate to your clients is very important. Maintain a clear and regular communication with your clients. discuss their specific bookkeeping needs, expectations, and the timelines. Ensure you have access to all the necessary financial documents such as bank statements, invoices, and receipts. So ask the necessary questions. If you don't ask the necessary questions, you'll be missing out, and then you deliver work that is not standard, and the client will not be happy, and they will not refer you to other clients. So ensure you communicate very well before you even do anything. Make sure, I beg you, make sure you get the specific details of the work that you need to do. Get the specific details about the task ahead of you. Communicate the timelines. Some customers might be having a tight schedule, and if you don't get that information, you might delay them, and that will hurt their business, because these are business people. These are people who are client to serve, so they need to be able to get the information they need so that they can be able to make a decision. Remember, accounting is about giving clients information so that they can be able to make decisions that are up to date. So ensure you communicate well, ensure you get information from the clients. Then establish bookkeeping systems. You develop a standardized system to organize and track your financial transactions. This may include organizing income and expenses, reconciling bank statements, managing accounts payable and accounts receivable, and tracking assets and liabilities. So you set up your bookkeeping system. Make sure you have a system that works for you. My system might not be your system. Make sure you work on a system that is working for you, that is giving you the best results, that is making your customers happy. So that is number 7. Number 8 is record financial transactions. Enter all financial transactions into your chosen accounting software. This includes income, expenses, invoice, bills, payroll informations. Keep the receipts and invoices as supporting documents for future reference. So in this point, we are talking about recording all the financial transactions. Have a tracker. Like myself, I make sure that I have a tracker on every activity. You need to finish with the income part of it, or the financial records. Then you go to the expenses. Then you record the payrolls. You record every transaction. Make sure that you have a checklist. That checklist will help you to make sure that you don't miss out on anything that it pertains the financial records that you are doing bookkeeping about. So ensure you record financial transactions. Each financial transaction need to be recorded, because every financial transaction matters, and every financial transaction is important to the client. So ensure you get that correctly. Then number 9 is you reconcile accounts regularly. After doing all that we have discussed from point 1 to point 8, now you need to reconcile all the transactions that you have done. Make sure that they are reconciling. Make sure that they are good. So reconciliation, you are performing bank reconciliation to ensure that the transaction recorded in your accounting software matches the bank statements. See, you need to ensure that whatever you have in your software is matching with the transactions or the statement from the bank. So ensure you do that. Then number 10, generate financial reports. After you're done everything, the final thing is the results, financial statements. So utilize your accounting software to generate financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheet, cash flow. That is a statement of cash flow. Review the reports to provide valuable insights to your clients. After you have generated the reports, you need now to do some review. You need to advise the client on what those statements are saying. Some clients, they might not be able to understand so much details. They need to know whether their business is doing well. So as an accountant or as a bookkeeper, this is where you come in and advise the clients, this and this, you need to cut costs on this. You need to work on these expenses so that you can be able to increase your revenue. So if you need to increase, you need to tell their customers specific details concerning their financial statements. Give those details to your customers so that they can be able to know, this and this is what is happening in my business. This is what I can do to improve, because at the end of the day, your customers need to improve their business. They need to get their business to the next level. And the way to get it done is getting insightful financial records. These financial records will be provided by you as a bookkeeper, as an accountant. So work on giving your clients some insights. Yes. So then the number 11 is you stay updated on regulations and tax laws. As a bookkeeper, you need to know the regulations of different. Okay, if you are working from let's say United States, you need to know the tax laws. When they get updated, you need to get yourself updated on the laws and regulations regarding taxations and accounting. Get yourself acquainted with those information. Learn regularly. Make sure that you are not caught up unawares. Make sure you learn every day, every trending information about accounting. Make sure you get to know it. Learn regularly. Discuss with your peers. Get your community, the people in the same level, in the same profession. Talk to them. They get to inform you when things are happening. Don't seclude yourself. As an accountant, you need to be in touch with your peers. You need to be in touch with the information on the ground. Yes, that is very important. Then number 12, back up your data. The data that you are keeping for your clients, the data that you have regarding your accounting transaction. Make sure you have a regular backup of your bookkeeping data to prevent data loss. You can use cloud-based solutions. You can also have external hard drives that will help you to back up your data. Then number 13 is maintain client confidentiality. The information you get from your clients is confidential. Don't disclose. Be a professional. Some of the ethics that will keep you on this business is being confidential. Don't give out your client information. Don't discuss your client with any other client, any other person, even if it is an accountant or even if it is who. So long as the client has not given you consent to discuss that information with any other person, don't do it. Totally. And please note this: never disclose any information of your client to another person. Very important. Never do that. It is against the work ethics. It is against the professional work ethics. So don't discuss your client's information with any other person. Your client information is confidential. Make sure you keep that in mind and safeguard it as much as you can. Yes, number 14 is continuous learning and professional development. If you're starting as a bookkeeper, make sure you continue to learn. If you have done, let's say, CPA Part 1, ensure you continue learning to gain more knowledge, to develop your skills so that you can become a professional accountant. Yes, so like myself, I've done a degree in accounting. I am in the process of doing CPA. So get to learn and learn and learn. Don't stop learning. As an accountant, if you stop learning, you are missing out a lot. You're going to be, yeah, with the competition, everyone is doing accounting nowadays, so much competition. So if you're not educating yourself, if you're not getting at the next certificate, it's going to be very hard for you to survive in this space. So make sure that you get yourself different certificates. You get to learn. If you have done with accounting, if you have done with the CPA, take another course. Perhaps start your master degree. From master's degree, take another course in line with your profession. Make sure you're grounded in your profession. Don't gamble around. Don't become a jack of all trades. Do what you're good at. Master your game. Make sure you master your game too well, so that you can be able to outsmart. You become best in what you do. That's what I'm trying to say. So as I conclude, remember that bookkeeping requires accuracy, attention to details, and strong work ethics. Confidentiality is very important. As you gain experience and build a reputation, you can expand your client base and potentially consider growing your home-based bookkeeping business. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, but more importantly, make sure that you grow your skills in accounting. Make sure that you build a community of your professional, the people in your background. Yeah, make sure that you maintain accuracy in what you do. Make sure you are keen to details. If you miss out on a single item in accounting, it's not going to balance. And at the end of the day, as an accountant, your joy is to see your financial records balancing. That is the key thing. If you do all your accounting work and you end up with unbalanced financial records, you've totally done nothing. So make sure that you are very keen to details. Make sure that you maintain work ethics, that you make sure that you maintain or to keep you in this space. Because many people are in this space, but very few people survive to see themselves in the top. So for you to remain relevant in accounting or in bookkeeping, make sure that you are the best in what you do. Make sure you are a true professional. Yeah, make sure you communicate with your clients very well. Make sure your communication with your clients is up to par. Yes. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about my videos. Yes, so give your advice, your comments. I'll be happy to learn from you and get to know what you think about my videos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Kindly subscribe, share this video. Let's get to engage. For the people in the accounting profession, advise me on what you think I am doing good, what I'm not doing good. Please. Also, I open to criticism, but positive criticism. There are few elements that are not very positive, and they are kinda destroy this profession, but kindly I beg you, kindly support this channel, subscribe, share this video. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you. Shall see you in my next video.